A Windows system boots up. Credential protection is enabled. Everything looks secure. Credential Guard is active, shielding sensitive login data. But in the background, an attacker is probing the system. This is Windows Credential Guard Bypass. Credential Guard is designed to isolate credentials, keeping them safe from theft. But attackers look for weaknesses, ways to interact with the system indirectly. Here's how it works. If an attacker gains access to a system, they may attempt to extract or access protected memory, or exploit misconfigurations, or abuse trusted processes. The goal is to reach sensitive credential material despite protections in place. Once successful, they can reuse authentication data to impersonate users and move through the network. Attackers love this because it targets the protection layer itself, not just user accounts. It happens in Windows enterprise environments, systems with Credential Guard enabled, organizations relying on endpoint security controls. Anywhere credential isolation is used, here's how to stay safe. Keep Windows systems fully updated and patched. Enable and properly configure Credential Guard with strong policies. Use endpoint detection tools to monitor suspicious memory or process activity. Because sometimes, even strong defenses can be challenged from the inside. Follow me before hackers follow you.